If your HomePod Mini is connected to your iPhone, but suddenly not connecting to the Wi-Fi, Siri is saying,
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet.
you are getting HomePod network mismatch, Wi-Fi error, then in this video, we will try to solve all the Wi-Fi problem on your HomePod Mini. Now first from your iPhone, make sure your Wi-Fi is fast and stable enough. If you think your Wi-Fi is not fast enough, start troubleshooting by turn off the Wi-Fi, wait for 5 seconds, and then turn it on again. Similarly, if possible for you, just go ahead and restart your router once. Now if the Wi-Fi is fast, stable, and okay on your iPhone, but your HomePod Mini is still having Wi-Fi issue, now you can cold boot your HomePod by plugging it out from the power source, wait for 30 seconds, and then plug it back again. After cold boot, your problem should be solved. If your HomePod is still not connecting to the Wi-Fi, now just go ahead straight open the Home app, tap on your HomePod's name, then tap on the full icon or settings. In this section, if you're getting a prompt or warning that the Wi-Fi on your iPhone and your HomePod Mini is different, even if you're not seeing this, but your HomePod Mini is still having trouble connecting to the Wi-Fi, scroll down, tap on Reset HomePod, and then tap on Remove Accessory, and then tap on Remove. After the HomePod Mini restarts properly again, just go ahead and reset up your HomePod with the Home app again. And after that, whatever Wi-Fi issue your HomePod Mini was facing will be solved for good. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.